Too Crazy AI brings you the most important AI news we've selected for today. Apple has announced a multi-year partnership with Google, with next-generation Apple Foundation models to be built on Gemini. This is one of the biggest strategic alliances in AI history. Let's dive into today's developments. In what might be the biggest AI partnership of 2026, Apple and Google have announced a multi-year strategic collaboration. Apple's next-generation foundation models will now be built on Google's Gemini technology. But don't worry about your privacy. Apple confirms all processing will continue on your devices and their private cloud compute infrastructure. The most exciting part, a dramatically more personalized Siri is coming this year. Apple acknowledged that after extensive evaluation, Google's AI provides the most capable foundation for their ambitions. Mark Zuckerberg just announced the most ambitious AI infrastructure project in tech history. Meta Compute aims to build tens of gigawatts of AI capacity this decade, eventually scaling to hundreds of gigawatts. To power this vision, Meta has signed nuclear deals worth 6.6 gigawatts by 2035, partnering with Vistra, Sam Altman-backed Oklo, and Bill Gates-backed TerraPower. The first major milestone? Project Prometheus, a 1-gigawatt Ohio data center coming online this year. Zuckerberg believes underspending on AI infrastructure poses a greater risk than overspending. Anthropic just made a major move into healthcare with Claude for Healthcare, and it's not just for hospitals. For the first time, you can securely connect your personal health records from over 50,000 healthcare institutions directly to Claude. Starting this week, Apple Health and Android Health Connect users in the US can let Claude summarize their medical history, explain test results, and spot health patterns. For healthcare organizations, Claude now connects to essential databases like ICD-10 codes, CMS coverage, and 35 million PubMed articles. Major players like Novo Nordisk, Sanofi, and Banner Health are already on board. Anthropic just launched something that could change how non-developers work with AI. Cowork is essentially Claude code for everyone else. Grant Claude access to a folder on your Mac, describe what you need, and Claude will autonomously handle the rest. Need to organize your chaotic downloads folder? Done. Want a spreadsheet from those receipt screenshots? Claude builds it. Have scattered notes that need to become a polished report? Cowork handles it. You can queue up multiple tasks and let Claude work through them. Currently available for Claude Max subscribers on macOS. Google just released what could become the HTTP of AI commerce. The Universal Commerce Protocol is an open standard that lets AI agents browse, add to cart, and checkout across any participating retailer without custom integrations. The partner list is impressive. Walmart, Target, Best Buy, Shopify, Etsy, and every major payment provider, including Visa, MasterCard, and Stripe. How it works? AI agents query a standardized endpoint to discover what a business offers, then handle checkout through secure, tokenized payments. Google is already building native checkout in AI mode in Search and Gemini. Here's today's craziest question. Apple gave up on in-house AI for Gemini. Meta wants to build hundreds of gigawatts of compute. Claude can now access your medical records. AI agents are starting to shop for you. Which of these changes excites you the most, and which concerns you the most? What's your choice? Drop it in the comments. Too Crazy AI. Stay crazy tomorrow.